Hey, good morning, everyone. Rory Powers, Right Line Trading. Hope everyone had a nice evening. Before we get too far into it, let me get the CFTC out of the way. Give me just a moment here. Okay, here it is. This broadcast is for demonstration and educational purposes only. It's important to know that we're not offering any type of trading advice, that I'm not a licensed financial advisor. If you're not familiar with the risks associated with trading, you better ask somebody. You could lose your entire trading account. Bummer. All right. Good morning. It is Tuesday, December 16th. December 16th, Tuesday. Let's take a look at the Forex Factory. If you're joining us today, that's the good news. Hallelujah. Any day above ground, you started it off in a very good way, comparing to the alternative, which is not very good. Tuesday, December 16th. We had some big economic news reports that came out this morning. Those are catalyst events. The average hourly earnings, core retail sales, non-farm employment change, retail sales month over month, unemployment rate. Woo, that was a mouthful. What was the news? Let's look at the red folders. The employment situation, drum roll. Payrolls rose by 64,000 in November. It's a good sign. Little net change though, but it is in the right direction. And U.S. retail sales unchanged. Virtually unchanged compared to the previous month, which had to be a pretty decent month, you'd think, because of Black Friday. Unchanged in October. Oh, geez. They're way back in October, excuse me. Excuse me. I forgot about that government shutdown. I think they're a little behind. Okay, let's see. 9:45. Beware. Now let me just briefly explain myself here. The reason I'm looking at this is because when these red folder reports come out, it's a very volatile environment. We don't want to get caught in an unpleasant surprise where we're in a trade and all of a sudden this red folder report comes out and their chart just goes bananas with volatility. It can be very profitable, but could also be very painful. So we look at the Forex Factory, the news reports, just to see what's coming out so we can prepare ourselves. So please, don't let me forget. If I do forget, at 9:45, we've got another one, the Flash PMI, Flash Services PMI at 9:45. 10 o'clock, business inventories. That's a yellow folder. That's not as extreme. Won't cause as much volatility, potentially, as these red folder reports. So 9:45 are the big ones that we'll have to look out for during this session. If today's your first day joining us, welcome. My name's Rory Powers. We're showcasing our AI Auto Trader and iBots. These are fully automated strategies that run within NinjaTrader 8. Once they are enabled, they will execute and manage the trades for us. How nice. We've got a really nice diversity of not only instruments but time frames that we trade them on. And we look for the bot that finds the ebb and flow of the current market condition, and that is our vehicle, our vessel to the promised land of profitability. That's where we're all seeking. A little piece of real estate. In the promised land. We got a beautiful trade on the ES30 range, 1-day pass. Bam, just hit. She could go all the way. We let these bots run during the pre-market. And we have what we call our leaderboard. The leaderboard, our ES Best Bot, is piggybacking the ES Scalper. You see, the ES Best Bot will look at every single one of my ES bots, and it will piggyback the one that's the most profitable. Has a 2-trade look back, very short look back. And it takes the guessing game out of it. If we want to trade the most profitable bot, if we go with the best bot, it's going to do it automatically. So what we can do is we can put that best bot as our leader account and put our prop accounts as followers. And once we enable it, it's going to automatically trade the most profitable bot. With the ES Best Bot, it's going to trade the most profitable bot on the ES. We also have one for the NASDAQ. Good luck, everybody. Let's see how we do. The market, the bell just rang. Ooh, we got some good volatility today. Got a nice pop up at the bell. Let's see what it did really briefly in the over a pre-market session. Let's go back to midnight. Big leg up during the London Open. A little bit of a retracement pre-market. Let's see where she goes now. Here comes the pullback. My 20 Unirenko is just breaking below the 50. Just bouncing off the 50. Here we go. Watch for a push to the upside. Oh no. I'm going to have to restart. I'm really sorry about this. Let me do a quick restart. Boy, that move up was getting juicy. Remember, at 9:45, we have that red folder report. Market's moving really nicely. Excuse me for just a second. Let me get a drink of water. Okay. Let me get these back enabled. One of these should be on the MNQ. I just noticed. What we could do is we can run one of the best bots on the micro, and it'll look at the minis, but it'll trade on the micros by changing the data series. Okay, let's get back in the game. Very choppy, very choppy. Looks like yesterday. Okay, let me get my copier set back up. There we go. Ooh, let's see this trade. Here's the long on the power play. You can see my leapfrog. Just kicked in. Risking $120 on this trade with the potential for a 3x, 4x, even a 5x profit, up 790 on the micro. I think that one's going to continue to go up. Okay, so this is the power play. Here we go, another pull back and go. Let's see if it pops to the upside again. That's that ebb and flow I was referring to. Up to 809 on the power play. I'm going to take that ES Best Bot on one of my leader accounts. 9:45, 7 minutes. We got a red folder report. Good morning, Gerald. Ah, shoot. You have your instrument and the account is NQ. You have your instrument and the account. Instrument, account display. All NASDAQs there. I think I got it. I think it's correct, MC. Where did you see that? I think it's straight now. Market is moving very quickly. The ES best spot is back in short, it looks like. It took a full loser. Let's see, after this news report, if we find a direction. It's a little bit, it's all over the place at the moment. All the risk just came off my ES best spot. There goes the power play short. Oh, nice trade. Oh, wow. Nice move down. 9:41. We have 4 minutes. Boy, was that a beauty to the downside. It's going to jump right back in short, this ES best spot. We're going to wait until that 9:45 report comes out. I'm afraid we're just too close right now. The leapfrog, that NQ30 is trading really well this morning. On my left-hand chart, the 8 uni. I see this one here. Yes. Yeah, it's on the E-mini. Looking at the 8 Unirenko. Yeah, I put that one there because I like to trade sometimes that ES leapfrog on the 8U. Here comes another entry short on the power play. And you see that triangle come out. That's signifying another down close. We're going to get a short entry on a signal B if all of the other conditions have been met. Steven, the NQ8U Steven. Here's our leaderboard. The 1-day pass on the ES, the 30 range leapfrog, the 30 range power play, the 20U Mac truck, the 20U sniper. We got a news report in 2 minutes. 2 minutes, a red folder report, the JOLTS report. Yeah, what happens, MC, is if I go to my NQ20 Unorenco chart and switch the account, when I come back to this tab, it'll show that NQ account is what's happening. This is my power play over here. But the account was NQ. Up here, up on the top left. Okay, there's the report right there. That's what we didn't want to trade through. Now let's see which way the market decides to go. Watch this short. I'm going to take one on this best spot short on the ES. Come on, get us in. Bam, we're in. We are in that ES best spot. Let's go. Come on down. Oh, no. Come on, take a roll. Take a roll down. Let's give it a little room. Not that much room. Come on, take one roll. No. This thing is going the wrong way on me. Ouch. Oh, man almighty. Took a $600 loss on all of them. Let's take one entry on this power play. Oh, I'm sick. I took that loser. Come on up. Oh, now it's going to retrace. Oh, man almighty. Come on, push up. Oh, man almighty. I got to stop there. I just got killed on that ES trade. It just completely reversed on me. Way too much risk on the trade. I've got to stop right there. I've reached my loss limit. As much as I want to get back in, I risk too much on the move. Let's go to the NQ leapfrog. Boy, that thing just came flying right back at me. Those NQ30s were doing really well. ES8U is right back in long. Wait, am I in the trade? Oh, no. I didn't turn off my copier is what happened. Oh man, come on up. Come on up. By mistake, I'm in this trade. Oh yes. Come on, leapfrog for me one time. Push up. Come on up. I'm going to take profits right there. All right, I brought it down. Cut my loss in half with that mistake. Probably should have stayed right in this trade. Yep. Wow, great trade, Rao. Let's see what the news was, Rao. I just got lucky. Sometimes it's better to be lucky than good, I'll tell you. I took a big ugly loser, and it just got cut in half because I had mistakenly left my copier on. Flash PMI signals slower business growth in December as prices spike higher. Not a very good report. Not a very good report. The Mack truck has done very well. It's up just under 1,700. Ooh, the NQ Steven. Very volatile. A lot of volatility. Here comes a short roll on the NASDAQ. Nope. Let's see where our 20U is. 20U is right back to the 50. Took a nice leg up right there. Here it comes again. Star Drone is in. Power plays back in long. Let's see if it gets some follow through. Nice entry. Come on up. We got some upside resistance. These red lines up top, that's resistance. See if we can break through. Nice trade. Look at that. Here we go. It's not leapfrogging. Exit on the line change. Boy, there's a lot of whipsaw today. Here's our ES best spot. Back in long. Mack truck, the 20U Mack truck is back in. Oh, all the ES30s took off long. Everything took off long. You can see my open positions. It's a break of resistance. That's what I'm waiting on, is this break. Let's see if we can get a long entry on this MNQ. Here we go. Getting the break. Come on, push up. Need some follow through the upside now. Come on, break through. Oh, man. There's a lot of whipsaw in this 30 range. Oh, shoot. Here we go. Oh, come on. Too much whipsaw. Yeah. It's untradeable. The ES, look at the ES. For some reason, I'm trading the NQ, and every single one of my ES bots is crushing it. Well, this thing's going to come down. Come on down. Come on down. Come on down. Ah. This ES best spot's about to fire off short. Look at the spike in volume. 7,000 contracts a minute. This thing's coming down. Nope. Man, look at this volatility. The whipsaw on the NASDAQ is almost untradeable on the 30 range. Let me see if I can get these iBots on. Ooh, that ES Best Bot just jumped in long right on this reversal. You getting some big moves on the Unorenco, Rel? On what, the NASDAQ or the ES? The NASDAQ? I saw that 8U Steven was crushing it a little while ago. It's up at $900 on the drone. That's trading an 8 Unorenco. The Unorenco usually does really good with these big swings up and down. Let's take a look at the Steven. It looks like it may have stopped trading. It might have hit my profit goal. Wow, that's incredible, Ralph. Great trading. You know, my 50 EMA looks like a rainbow. It's red, yellow, and green. Red, yellow, and green. That's on my 30 range chart. On my 20 Unorenco chart, it's really in a bullish trend. Oh, what a beautiful trade. Look at that to the upside. This leapfrog just caught a monster. Let's see if it breaks through resistance. The 20U is headed right back up to resistance. Oh, yeah. Nice leapfrog. Here we go. This thing's going to take another leg up. That ES8U jumped in long, too. Just jumped in long again. can't figure out why my MNQ, that's this one here, is different from yours. I have it as a 30 range with the AIMNQ power play drone. What, I'm not sure exactly what is different. What do you see as being different? Here we go with a short roll. I'm looking for a break of support here. There's another spike of volume. Institutional money just pouring in or pouring out of the NASDAQ right now. Let's play the break of support. Come on down. Come on, take a run down. Nope. Nice row. Well, I thought that thing was going to go right down to the basement. It bounced right off support. They did a little bit of they let the price break through support for 1 bar, and then they, boom, they reverse it, take everybody's stop. Right at those liquidity zones. Here's another entry. Nice one. Mack truck. Let's try again for the break of support. It's bouncing right off of that level. Looking for a break of support on the MNQ. There's a lot of selling pressure. They just can't break that pivot. Gonna retest it. Coming up right behind me is professional options trader David Wise. And he's going to be trading the SPY super system. Come on, let's get this break. Let's get this break. Here we go. Looking for this short entry through the pivot, through support. We're in short. Come on, let's get some follow through. Push down. Push down. Come on down. Come on down. Keep going. Don't stop now. Come on, give me some follow through the downside. A little more. Little more. There you go. Come on down. Push down. All right. Got a small winner. Bam, it's right back in short. ES, the best spot, back in short. Could get some follow through now the downside. Oh, this looks like a beauty short. A beautiful short move. Power play back in short. The best spot's in short on the E-mini. A 30 range leapfrog is back up on top. The IBOT 30 range. Let's take a look at that IBOT 30 range out of curiosity. That's trading the NQ. This thing's going to take a ride to the downside, it looks like. Here we go. Never is a clear straight line down, is it? They got all these bobs and weaves. And here we go, another short through support. Boy, that's a tempting entry to take. Here comes a short through support. Oh, man. I thought it was going to jump in that one. And there it goes, a little late. Come on down. Ah. Still in it. Still in it. Push down. That ES best spot trying to break through support. One more leg down and it's got it. Here comes another short entry. Ooh, the leapfrog did it. The leapfrog is leaping on the ES8U. Power play short on the NQ. Here we go. Let the good times roll. Come on, one push to the downside. Bam, there we go. There we go. Or that ES best spot came back. Came back. Oh, here we go. Here we go. I feel very fortunate to be at minus 250. Very fortunate. Oh, Gerald. Yes, sir, Rao, you're right. I should have just let that ES best spot trade, man, because that thing came back, and look what it's doing now. It's very close to locking in $1,000 trade here, and it could get even juicier. You hit the nail on the head, Rao. There it goes short. There goes that ES best spot. My leaderboard's lighting up like a Christmas tree. Best spot, 337 in the green now. What a comeback. Incredible. Incredible trading session. Let's see if we can get a short roll. Nope. Good volume. Excellent volume. 'Tis the season. That's right, Synergy. It's that time of the year. Speaking at that time of the year, by going to a Christmas assembly at my daughter's school tomorrow morning. So I won't be here tomorrow, but it's Miller time. Come tomorrow. God willing, Mark Miller is going to be trading live in my spot. I'm going to see my daughter sing in the chorus for the Christmas assembly over at the school. Yes, sir. On your way out the door today, please make sure you like my video here on YouTube. I like to think of it as my job security. Power play just took off long. This is a bot that can make money whether it goes up, down, all around. Makes no difference. It sniffs out that institutional money and it follows right along with it. So tomorrow at 9:15, it is Miller time. I bought ES4U. Let's see if we can watch one trade on the iBots. Last trade, let's find one. The ES4U. Isn't a long. Here's the iBot ES4U. Just a brief recap of the day. The number one bot, no surprise, the 20 Unorenko on the NASDAQ. NQ20U. Numero uno. The iBot NQ30 range. iBot ES4U is the one we're watching right now on this reversal. The velocity's back on the leaderboard. Our 30 range one-day pass had a couple nice trades. The power play did very well. It would have gotten me to my profit goal. The Mack truck, the trade that killed me was the entry I took on the ES8U, and I moved my stop back. Anytime I get in this thing's way, it's a mistake. Route, you were right. The MES 30 range star drone. Very nice, $120. Let's get one last trade on the NQ as well, and we're going to call it a day. We're going to hit this velocity bot. NQ velocity bot. Taking some heat. Please, on your way out, if you would, like my video here on YouTube. Don't forget. I hope everybody has a great rest of your day. All right. That's great, man. Gerald, the 5 PA accounts, you were green. Oh, today's that last day. Today's the last day of that 90% sale for Apex. See you tomorrow, Rao. Well, actually, you'll see Mark Miller tomorrow. He's a lot more fun than me anyways. I'm like the old boring turtle, and he's the fast, exciting hare. Man, I tell you, I feel blessed to only be down 200. I thought I was down 600-700, and I accidentally left my copier on. It took a winner, put me back in the game. So I'm in a position that I could still have a profitable week. Have a great rest of your day, everybody. Thanks for joining me. We're still in this ES4U. Yes, MC. We're running a special for the holidays. If you want to add on the iBots or if you want to jump in, it's a great time to do it. Let me put the office phone number. Thank you, Synergy. Thanks for joining us. Okay, we just got wicked out. But the iBot on the ES4U is up 850 very quietly. Had some really nice trades. That 4 Unirenko is a small bar. If we put that up on the chart, if we go to our data series and put it on a 41020, that'll give you an idea of what that bot is looking at. With this volatility, these are the entries that ES4U took. Took that nice pivot break. Ooh, it caught a monster right here. Oh, man. Caught that move down and really made some really nice money with it. But that ES on a 4U is a really nice, clean chart. I always like to put the VWAP on my ES chart. So you can see where the VWAP is, that yellow dotted line. Price is way below it. But it's almost acts as a magnet. Price always wants to come back to it. Your MNQ dropped to 25,230. Let's see. Yeah, I'm right there with you. I'm right there with you, MC. All right, everybody. Have a blessed rest of your day. It's Miller time tomorrow. If you would, please like my video on the way out the door. Have a great rest of your day, and we'll see you tomorrow. So long, everybody. Thanks for joining us. Have a great rest of your day.